Hello, folks. This is Big J. I know this is not like me, but I was just thinking, felt like sharing this video here or putting it up here because we're about to enter a new year. We're about to enter a new era. I keep thinking about this. A year does not become new by the passage of time. A year becomes new by the quality of decisions made within it. You can't tell me you are entering a new year when you want to keep gambling, keep trading without a plan, when you want to keep revenge trading, and you are telling me you're entering a new era. There is no new era there if you are repeating the same mistakes you did this year. If you want to carry the same mistake you did in 2025 to 2026, you've not entered a new year. A new era begins when you choose to take a different decision. Because you can't keep repeating the same mistake and expect different outcome. It doesn't work that way. Going into this new year, a lot of people still don't have a trading plan. They still don't journal. They still don't backtest and study. They don't have any risk manage. They don't have a strict risk management. They just flow with whatever the market gives. No direction, no bias, no context. And you want to tell me you want to wish me happy new year. To all my fellow traders out there, the goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. One thing I've discovered in this industry is that you have to manifest who you want to be. You have to manifest. I don't have it all. Okay, wait. Let me go to my first video. I logged in on Forex trading around 11th June 2025. So December made it my 6 months. As you can see, this is my workspace. If you check my first video, I talked about this. This is my workspace. This is where I'm currently operating from. But I'm gonna change this year. Yes, I'm changing it this year. I believe and I know it's going to happen this year. So in case you think, who is this guy telling me all this? What does he have? I'm still struggling like you. Yes, I don't have it all figured out yet. But I'm working towards it. I have a plan. I have an edge. I have a risk management. I just believe it's going to happen. I'm not trying to be how should I put this thing? It's not about pride or overconfidence, no. It's just because the industry is messed up. The industry has passed down a fucked up mentality to everybody. The industry have placed more value to profits than losses. Everybody wants to win and flaunt their profits and sell a dream life to beginner traders. It doesn't mean it's not possible. It's possible, but how many of your goats, how many of your idols post their losses? People go into trades thinking only about profits. Nobody thinks about losses. Do you know that it's even hard to blow an account? You need to take like 30 to 40 back-to-back losses for you to blow a 10% max drawdown account. You need to take a 30 to 40 back-to-back losses for you to blow an 8% max drawdown account as well. So when people keep saying they blow the account, it pisses me off at times. Check my previous video or my last video. You will see my fund. I became a funded trader for the first time around early September 2025. I made a lot of mistakes. I gambled. I did a lot of shit. Everything is in my channel. I post my losses. I post my profits. Everything is raw and unfiltered. I still have the funded account. The max drawdown is 10%. I'm currently in minus 7.2. I've hit minus 9 point something percent, but I'm yet to blow the account. I traded without a plan. I traded without a strategy. I was just, oh my god. I'm doing this video for you to have a good psychology entering this new year. Have a changed mindset. Have a plan. Have a fixed risk reward ratio. The problem is everybody wants to make 10 RR so you can flaunt it online. Are you trading for validation? Are you trading for yourself? You know, just like I said, in this industry, you have to manifest who you want to be. Everybody, we all have these silent midnight cries. I still cry because it hurts. When you are doing your best, you give it your best, but still, there is no evidence. It hurts. It hurts. We all are still struggling. Stop blaming the market. The market is not responsible for your losses. You are responsible for your wins and your losses. Have that in mind. Is it the market that told you to close your trade without letting it hit TP? Is it the market that told you to hold a losing trade? Is it the market that told you to gamble? Is it the market that told you to revenge trade? No, it's your decision. Because you don't have a rule, you don't have a plan. You just flow with anything the market offers. Then you lose, you blame your mentor, you blame everybody, but not yourself. Start taking responsibility of your life. This 2026, we are going to have a lot of beginner traders as well, who will come into this industry and see the fucked up mentality that is flying around. The industry have placed a lot of value on profits. I'll keep saying this. The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. The goal is to have a successful routine. Do you have a routine? Do you work out? Do you read books? The thing is, we all think that trading is all about the market, the charts, the TPs, the stop loss. No, it's about you because the market reflects the trader. If you are impatient, the market will expose your weakness. The market will expose everything, your lack of discipline, your lack of rules, your lack of accountability, your lack of everything. The market will expose all of them. I don't just like that's why I have to show you all this because lots of people would like to say, who is this guy saying all this? Yes, this is my workspace. This is where I'm currently working from. This is where I'm operating from right now. I'm not happy doing this here, but I don't have any other option because this is what I have at the moment. You know, life is about doing the best with what you have at the moment. Life is about focusing on what you can do. Give your energy to what you can do and let what you have less control over to play out. Give your energy to your rule. Give your energy to your strategy. Give your energy to your risk management and let the market play out. I'm saying this is because a year is not new when you are planning to repeat the same mistakes, when you are planning to repeat the same decision that didn't give you any results. Are you not tired of losing? Are you not tired of blowing accounts? Are you not tired of jumping from one strategy to another? Sit your ass down. Choose a strategy. If you want to be trading multiple pairs, fine. If you want to be trading one pair, fine. Around June when I logged in, I started with trading like 5 pairs. Then I reduced it to 3, I reduced it to 2. Now I'm only trading Euro USD, one pair. It filters all the noise. I just focus on Euro USD. I have a fixed risk to reward ratio. When people keep saying they blow accounts, wait, where is my risk management? People don't journal. People don't do now their trades. They keep saying, "Oh, it's in my head, it's in my all this thing." Is that how you want to learn? This is my risk management plan. Learn how to cut down your losses. As you can see with my risk management, it takes 45 consecutive losses to blow a 10% max drawdown account. It's here. You can see it here. Let me tell you, a trader that can plan is a trader that will last in the game. Nobody is even thinking about surviving. Nobody is thinking about capital preservation. Everybody is thinking about short-term gains. Learn how to cut down your losses. This is my plan. This is it. I risk 0.5% from BE, from break even to -3%. When I'm down -3% to -6%, I cut down my risk to 0.25%. Then when I'm below -6%, I cut down my losses, my risk to 0.15%. If after following all this plan, I still blow my account, yes, I will be happy. It's a win for me because I blew my account following my plan. A lot of people don't have any plan. They don't even have a fixed risk trade. They just risk everything. Let me tell you, even if you buy the course of the one of the most wealthiest trader in planet Earth and you still have a fucked up mentality, you're not going to get the same results like him. Your mentor is there to give you a strategy. It's left for you to know what works for you, create a plan for yourself. But no, we're in a lazy generation. Everybody wants their mentor to spoon feed them. Trading is a personal journey, it's a personal race. Everybody lose, everybody gains, everybody do a lot of shit. I'm saying this thing so so you'll be angry in your spirit. I'm not here to motivate you. Cultivate the act of discipline. This 2025, yes, I don't have anything. For real, I don't have anything. No assets, no liability, nothing. I'm just a broke dude. But guess what? This 2025 is my last year of being broke. Just can write it down. Big J, yes, Big J, I Big J. I'm saying that 2025 is my last year of being broke. You have to manifest who you want to be. What type of trader do you want to be? Do you want to be the type of trader that gambles? Do you want to be the type of trader that focus on outcome instead of process? The process is oh my god. The process is what makes you who you are. If you go through the process, even if you blow your account, you can still pick yourself up and start over again because the process is in you. But we don't have any process. We are only focused on let me hit TP, let me do this one, let me do this one, let me front, let me. How many of you made money this year? How many of you made money last month, last week? But here you are, you have lost everything to the market because there's no plan. There's no plan. No, you're perfect. I'm still struggling as well. I'm still struggling. I'm still struggling. I'm a struggling trader just like you. In case you are thinking um what how should I put it now? Where's my videos? This is my videos. This is my YouTube channel. You can see everything. This is how I started. This is my first YouTube video. This is everything you can see. I've been through the worst times. I've been through the tough weeks. I've lost my routine. I've done a lot. I've gambled. I've done a lot of things. The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. Get a routine. Get a routine for yourself. This 2026, get a plan. Choose one strategy. Backtest this plan. Backtest. A lot of you don't want to, everybody wants to win without losing. Everybody wants to win without giving it all, giving it their all. One thing about life is anything you want to be, you have to be ready. You have to be willing to accept whatever it comes with. If you want to be a gangster, you must be ready to accept what being a gangster comes with. If you want to be a trader, you must be ready to accept what being a trader comes with. Anything you want to be in life, you must be ready to sacrifice. You must be ready to accept the ups and downs that come with it. But no, we want to eat our cake and have it. Everybody wants to win without learning the art of losing. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. The problem is everybody thinks they have it in them. But when it's actually time to put in the long, painful hours to study and backtest, you start giving excuse. You have to be willing to give it your all. Excuses will not take you there. Excuses will not achieve your goals for you. Excuses will not give you, oh my God. If you like, set up a daily affirmation every day without doing what you're supposed to do, without giving it your all, you will not get anything. What will take you far is discipline. Having a rule. You can't be disciplined gambling. You have to be disciplined with your rules. You have to discipline. Oh my God. I want you to. Oh, I want you to have a change of mind. 2026 is our year. Choose a plan. Choose a fixed risk reward ratio. I target only one ratio 3 RR. Besides, I stopped trading last week. I'm on a 2 weeks break. I'm resuming trading next week, 5th January. That's when I'm resuming my trade for the year. These last 2 weeks have been the last 2 weeks of this year I've been reflecting. I've been reflecting, I've been thinking about my life. I've been thinking about the late midnight cries. I cried last night. I cry every night. You know what it means for your family to depend on you for things, but you can't show anything. You have nothing to show. Everybody is depending on you. Where if you don't have it, everybody is screwed. If you don't make it, everybody is screwed. Is it gambling that will elevate your family? Or is it discipline? Or is it getting a plan? The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. The goal is not to make money. The goal is to have a successful routine. Have a routine. Journal. Study your wins and your losses. Study everything. Why did I win? Why did I lose? So many of you can't even hold trades for 3 days, for 2 days, for even 5 minutes. So many of you can't even sit your ass down without clicking the buy or sell button because you don't have a plan. We have 5 working days. The market is open for 5 good days. So many of you on Monday you've already blew your account because there's no plan. Let me tell you this. Let's say you are a trader that targets. Where's my calculator? Let's say you are a trader that targets 1:3 per trade. Why is this thing not working? Let's say you are a trader that targets 1:3 per trade. You risk 0.5% in your first trade for the week and you hit CP. You are now up plus 1.5%. That means, oh my God. And your second trade, You risk the same 0.5% and it hits stop loss. What you will lose is 0.5%, giving you a total of plus 1%. If you take the third trade, I have to increase the funds like this. If you take the third trade and you hit stop loss as well, you lost 0.5%, which means you have 0.5% left. Let me say this is how you close the week. That means you close the week with 1 CP, 2 SL. It's still a profitable week because you close the week with plus 0.5%. This is it. This is what having a plan looks like. This is, oh my god. People don't have any plan. I want you to try this new year. I'm not a financial advisor. I will just share my suggestion. Try taking one trade per day. Try taking a maximum of 4 trades per week. Let's say you're handling a 10% max drawdown account. You had in the first week you risked 0.5% and you had a losing streak throughout that week. Let's say you are risking or you are taking a maximum of 4 trades per week. At the end of the week, you will be closing with minus 2%. If you come to the second week, you still risk 0.5%. And let's say you had 2 TP and 1 SL with risking 0.5%. 0.5% times 3 is 1.5%. If you are targeting 3 means if you are targeting 1 ratio 3 RR. Now you are up plus 1.5% if you take the first trade risking 0.5% and it hits CP. Let's say you hit 2 TP and 2 SL in the second week. This is what you are going to get. You are going to end the second week with you're going to end the week with plus 2%, meaning you are back to break even on your funded on your trading account. This is all about plan. This is all about planning. There's a week I had 10 back-to-back losses when I was still gambling. All I lost was 1% of my account. If 2 to 5 trades will lead to you blowing your account, you are not meant to be a trader, you are a gambler. You are not supposed to be in this industry. The goal is not to make money, the goal is to have a successful routine. Because money can come and go. But if you already have a successful routine, with the routine, money can still come back as a byproduct. Put more effort in the process, not the outcome. Be a process-oriented trader, not an outcome-oriented trader. Take a new decision and enjoy this new era. Don't repeat the same mistakes of 2025 in 2026 and expect a different outcome. It doesn't work like that. Let me just end here. Happy New Year to you all. This year is our year of profitability. If you pick a plan for yourself, if you choose discipline over emotion,